Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 36 of the Cougar Connection. We only have a few connections left, and this one is going to be super short because where we've been state testing, we are not tracking program data any longer. We do have this week of school, and we have next week, so there will only be one more connection after this week. As you can see from the pictures in the connection, we did have a great week with K-Prep kickoff activities and also afternoon brain breaks. I know we still call it K-Prep, but really that is our KSA or our state testing that we started this week on Thursday and Friday. We will continue state testing on Monday of this week and also on Wednesday. Just a general reminder, parents, that Tuesday is a day where students are out of school for election day, but staff will report. So on Monday of this week, students will take the science KSA if they are in 7th grade and the social studies KSA if they are in 8th grade. It's also National Police Week. Again, election day is not a school day for students. There's also a gifted education department meeting on Tuesday. On Wednesday, students in the 8th grade will take the on-demand assessment as well as the language assessment for state testing. On Thursday, we do have a JAG field trip. On Friday, it will be the last Bring It Friday of the year. We will have Kona Ice. At SMS, the 8th graders are going on a trip to Kings Island, and there are some select students on the Red Jaguar team and on the Green Monkey team that are going on reward for those days. Also, a couple other things, parents. The last day of school, we will be having our Simons Middle School Awards Day program that will start at 9 o'clock. You are invited to attend. We will contact the recipients, the parents of the recipients for the Joe Allen Simons Awards. Those will be contacted by someone on staff before next Tuesday. Also, there are free sports physicals that are going to be offered courtesy of Family Medicine Associates. This is open to every athlete at SMS and FCHS. Everyone has to have an up-to-date physical to practice or play a sport. This will be a great time to get them. They are going to be offering them on Saturday, June the 3rd from 9 to 11. And those are going to be given in the FCHS multi-purpose room. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.